globalization, and Indian economy. Globalization, it is the rapid integration of countries through foreign trade and foreign investment. Money that's spent on buying assets, such as land, buildings, machines, and other resources, is called investment. When MNCs, that means multinational companies, made investment in different countries, then it is called foreign investment. Primary purpose of foreign investment is to reduce cost of production. For example, MNC of USA invest in China for cheap labor, and in India for cheap raw materials. Producers need markets to sell their products. Seller or buyer can export or import products from markets of same or different country. This is called as trade. Importing or exporting the products across the native country boundary is called foreign trade. For example, laptops made and export to native country. Globalization enables greater integration of production and markets across countries. Globalization create better education and job opportunities across nations. Production across countries. Companies crossed the native country boundary in search of raw material, other resources, to reduce production cost and earn max profit. For example, MNC of USA invest in China for cheap labor, and in India for cheap raw materials. Sometimes businesses will look for government policies that look after their interests. For example, India attracting companies by offering no tax for 5 years and more. A MNC is a company that owns or controls the production in more than one nation. These companies produce and market goods and services all over the world. For example, Coca-Cola and Honda bikes, available all over the world. The production process is divided into parts and spread out across the globe as per the resource availability. For example, China for cheap labor, and India for raw materials. Interlinking production across countries. MNCs set up production. Few things are necessary, that is closeness to market, skilled and low-cost labor, raw materials and machines, and attractive government policies. Few more things are necessary, like MNCs interact with local producers to spread their production. Sometimes MNCs set up production jointly local companies. This helps to have extra fund for buying new resources and can take advantage of new technology. But maximum times MNCs buy the local companies and then expand their production. MNCs have enormous power to determine work of local producers, hence they produce their products from local producers and sell them with their brand name. For example, company give raw clothes to small company, then take fully manufactured clothes in return and sell those in market with their brand name.